Good morning everyone. My name is Adeeba Najihah binti Muhammad Zaki, and today I'm presenting our study entitled An Empirical Analysis of Current Zakat Collection Structure, Implication for the Socio-Economic Sustainability of the Ummah. To start, the core objective of the Islamic economic framework is to systematically prevent the excessive concentration of capital within wealthy elites. Zakat serves as a structured wealth purification and fiscal mechanism designed specifically to balance this socio-economic divide. As the economy evolves, we are witnessing a major structural portfolio shift. Modern commercialization transition have moved traditional agrarian modes of zakat into advanced system. Today, the landscape is heavily dominated by the professional service and corporate business sector. Because of this shift, our institution require highly adaptive asset diversification models to capture and manage this modern wealth stream effectively. Let us look at the empirical data regarding current zakat collection structures and their flow characteristics. First, income zakat. This comes from the monthly salary deduction of professionals and workers. It stands as the largest and most dominant category in the portfolio, characterizes by fixed monthly flows that provide high liquidity to the system. Second, business zakat. These are collections coming from corporate and SME entities. It contributes a substantial nominal value of 1896776.88 ringgit Malaysia, flowing periodically based on corporate financial cycle. Third is zakat fitrah. This is the obligatory personal annual tax of or zakat al-badan. It brings in a nominal value of 16476.878 ringgit Malaysia. Its portfolio characteristic is highly seasonal, restricted to the month of Ramadan. And fourth, zakat on savings. This is the levy placed on accumulated annual liquid cash. Its nominal value is significant, falling into the medium range, and it flows periodically upon the completion of the hour. Based on this structural insight, we propose three core policy recommendations to drive sustainability. First, fintech and automation. We must integrate robust financial technologies such as automated payment gateway and transparent blockchain ledger to drastically reduce compliance leakage. As transformation, we need to transition our distribution strategy away from short-term consumption aid and move toward productive microfinance model. This will foster self-sustaining entrepreneurship among recipients. And last is SDG alignment. We must systematically align modern collection portfolio with global sustainable development goal (SDGs). The ultimate goal is transformation, converting historical recipient mustahik into future contributing muzaki. In a conclusion, empowering in the socio-economic sustainability of the Ummah require inclusive structure and modern Islamic governance. And thank you so much for your attention.